So what is a dispersion skills test? Let's have a look at a completed test first, and then further tutorial videos will show you how to set up one of these practice games. Firstly, I'll click on the details, and you can see that shots been hit at 22, 44, 66 and 87 yards. The player has entered the coordinates, so this was 1.1 meters short and 1.1 meters left. It's worth noting that this particular game was entered in meters in someone else's system and is translating back to yards for me, so it would be 1 and 1. What this test does is it gives you a position chart and also a summary of where the balls are going. How many times did I hit the target? And then you can get an overall score, which is a great way of tracking your progress, and also an overall position chart. On this occasion, each one of the markers represents a different distance. Once you've completed your test, you get an overall report of how things are going. The overall report tells you your error percentage, so here the lower the number the better your performance is. But also you can have a look at how you're going within different distances from a dispersion, or how close to the hole you're hitting it. So we've got quite a few shots here at 20 to 40, and this will show me how I'm performing in a particular skill. It works in really well with your goals. In following videos I'll show you how to set up the tests and how your players can enter the data.